Using a graph. At IGCSE, sometimes you need to use graphs to solve equations. Solutions of a function are where the curve of a function crosses the x-axis. If you are asked to do something like use the graph of y equals f of x to solve the given equation by drawing a suitable line, then rearrange the equation in the form f of x equal mx plus c and then draw the straight line for y equals mx plus c. Solution are the x coordinates where the line y equals mx intersect the curve y equals f of x. Worked example is the graph of y equals x square plus 1 over x for minus 2.5 to 2.5 has been drawn for you. By drawing suitable straight lines on the grid, solve the following equations. A graph is drawn. X square plus 1 over x equals negative 2. As y equals x square plus 1 over x and x square plus 1 over x equals negative 2, so y equals negative 2. Draw the line for y equals negative 2 and find the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the line y equals negative 2 and the curve y equals x square plus 1 over x. Y equals negative 2 is a straight line. The x coordinate of the point of intersection is negative 0.46. Point of intersection is this one and its x coordinate is negative 0.46. X square plus 1 over x plus x minus 1 equals 0. Rearrange the equation to get the equation of the curve on one side. So x square plus 1 over x equals negative x plus 1. Now y equals negative x plus 1. Draw the line y equals negative x plus 1 and find the x coordinate of the point where y equals negative x plus 1 intersects the curve y equals x square plus 1 over x. Here the gradient is negative 1 and y-intercept is 1. So this straight line is like this. Its intersection point is this. As y-intercept is 1 and gradient is negative 1. The x coordinate of the point of intersection is negative 1.85. To solve simultaneous equations by using graphs. Plot both equations on the same set of axes. Find where they intersect. The x and y coordinates of the point of intersection are the x and y solutions to the simultaneous equations. Worked example. Solve these simultaneous equations. 3x minus 2y equals 5. 5x plus y equals 9. Rearrange both equations in the form y equals mx plus c. Y equals 3 over 2x plus 5 over 2. Y equals negative 5x plus 9. Now plot both equations on the same set of axes as this one. Line in red color is for y equals negative 5x plus 9 and the line in green color is for y equals 3 over 2x plus 5 over 2. Find the point of intersection, which is here. The coordinates of the point of intersection is the solution of the simultaneous equations. The point of intersection is 1, 4. So the solution to the equations is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Solve these simultaneous equations. Y equals x square plus 5x and y is equal to 4x minus 1. Plot both equations on the same set of axes. These two equations are plotted. Find the point of intersection. The coordinates of the point of intersection is the solution, and point of intersections are here and here. Solutions of the simultaneous equations. The approximate solutions from the graph are 0.24 and 1.24 and -4.24 and -3.24.